mag-core workout tayo. So gawin nyo to every morning para mabawasan yung tiyan nyo. Siyempre, kasama ng pagdadiet nyo. Game. Start tayo, planks. 30 seconds. Okay, basic lang sa inyo to, 30 seconds. Try natin 6 exercise. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Ooh. Last 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Stop. Next. V-ups tayo. 10 times. V-ups. Okay. Taas dalawang kamay. Then, reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, hinga. Next natin is ankle taps. 15 times. Crunch your abs. Then tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, hinga. Next natin, lying down, platter kicks. 15 counts then. You ready? 3, 2, 1. Point your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, stop. Medyo masakit yon. Next natin is star crunch. Okay, so touch, then open. 1, 2, 12 lang. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Last natin, finishers, chop crunches. 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So yun guys, 6 na exercise para sa ating core. Gawin nyo every morning kasama ng pagdadiet nyo, fasting and calorie deficit para mabawasan